types of builds, they exist on different levels across the board. But I hope that when people, especially vehicle enthusiasts and people who do this, when they take their time and actually look this over to see how everything is done perfectly right, I hope they feel excited to see something of this level on the street.
There's a lot of emotions in these builds, and you have a rendering done of it. You show the customer gets excited, and I mean, our goal here is to make that rendering a reality.
What's up, guys? Today we're working on getting the back end torn apart. We got to get the rear quarters, the fenders, get the wing, the diffuser. We have to figure out how all that stuff comes off very carefully. Yesterday, the guys worked on getting the front end torn apart. Today, it'll probably be mostly me, as always. I got to do everything. They might help a little bit. One of them will probably have to go, but we're going to jump into this and see what we can get done and show you guys. All right, I'm leaving. I got to go.
Press it again and see what it does. No, the bar.
Oh.
"16 bolts later, we have the fender off. Two screws there. But look at how all this bolts. Everything's gonna be from underneath. Well, that might be up there, but all of this stuff's gonna be underneath. No, here you go. Here you go. Merry Christmas. Yep.
Got a big old bag for that many bolts, but we won't lose it. Everything's got its place on the floor.
today we got the rear diffuser, bumper, all side quarter panels, the clamshell, the engine cover, everything removed. Tomorrow we'll continue on removing the remainder of the body panels left. Hasn't been as bad as I anticipated. It is some obstacles, hurdles to overcome to get some of the panels removed. Stay tuned for what comes next. We'll continue removing what we got on here now and start mocking up this 1016 kit.